In this video will be shown how to download and install ht-portal. Open your browser and type httpo.it. The main page of ht-portal will open. From the buttons at the top, click Download, then select your operating system. In our case, Windows. Once the download is complete, run the installer. You can keep the default options or modify them according to your needs. When the installation is complete, the configuration page will be automatically opened. It will be always accessible by simply click the icon near the system clock, or type localhost 3000 in your browser's address bar. At the first startup, you need to choose whether to protect access with a password. After that, the application is ready to be used.